back to my channel, guys. Happy Tuesday morning to you. How are you doing today? God is good. Just wake up. Just wake up and I get some things ready to go to work. God has been good, and I must just say it's a blessed day. It's a blessing to be alive. Alright, today now I'm going to brown stew a piece of chicken, alright, for my lunch. Alright, I already cut and wash, and I'm going to show you how I season it. Alright, so I use my lemon or vinegar to wash my chicken, and I hope you are doing the same thing, lemon or whatever you choose to wash the chicken. Alright, so I'm just going to put some browning on it, and I'm going to put some coconut milk on it. Alright, so watch the process as I go. I've started to put some pimento on my chicken already, so just watch the process. Let me show you it, guys. And as I say, thank you for subscribing to my channel. All of my friends and families and who I don't know that subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. And here I have my chicken. Here. I started to put some pimento on it already, all washed and everything. Okay, let me show you my pimento. I did not take out the pimento. Oh, okay. For those who don't know pimento, this is the pimento. Spice, it's a spice for those who know it. So I have this mortar here, and I put in it, and I just crush it out. Alright, so this is how I do it. Okay, guys, pimento is good. It's a good spice. And over here now I have a slap your mama. I'm just going to use a little bit. It's very spicy. It's just a little like this. Okay, and over here I have my Maggi seasoning salt. Okay, so watch the process. I don't use a lot of seasoning. Over here I use my chili. This one is hot but not as hot as slap your mama, so I just use a little bit. And of course I use ginger. Ginger is good. Okay, and I have my browning. You can see, all wash and everything. You can see. And this is for Chrissy. Okay, Chrissy, you know who you are and where you're watching me from. And Chrissy is my 4-year-old at church. Okay, Chrissy loved to watch my channel. When I went to church Sunday, she said, "Oh, I saw you on TV, so I am cooking for you now, Chrissy." I hope you wake up by then. By now. I hope you wake up by now. Alright. Okay, so this is for Chrissy. And also for some of my subscribers. Tomorrow I'll cook for the rest of my subscribers and viewers. Just kidding, guys. You can see? I put a little bit more browning on it. Thank you very much for subscribing, for loving up my videos. Thank you, my families and friends and all those out there watching my channel. You can see it? I'm not going to put too much on it, just a little. Okay, see? Not much seasoning. Alright, so I'm going to show you now. My pot is all on the stove, so I may start it just a little bit of oil. You can see my oil, just a little. You can see my pot here. Okay, some people say they're not seeing my face, but when I start the video I start to show my face. But because it's just me that is using the camera and the food, it's not that easy on my side. It has a stand, but it's not easy for me to manage. But guys, I'm just trying. But I must get there though. So I'm just going to put a little oil in it, just to grease the bottom. Because I'm going to use a lot of water. Alright. don't have anybody to hold the camera for me, so I have to do it myself. Alright, so I put the oil in it. So my oil is getting there. Also, guys, I have some corn. I'm going to put the corn in it. Also, as I says, I have some coconut milk, so I'm going to put it in it. Alright, so watch the process as I go. So my oil is getting ready. I may tip a little bit more browning on it. And this is my browning that I use. So while I'm cooking it, I'm going to put my seasoning, my scallion and my onion and garlic or whatever. Okay, guys. So guys, my viewers, my subscribers, my oil is all out. My family and my friends, let's see. My brown stew chicken. There's no oil in it, it's all dried. So I'm going to keep a little bit of water in it. Just a little bit of warm water. This is going to brown stew. You can see. Here I have my corn also. You know the corns are harder to cook, so I'm going to put my corns in like this. Okay, that's my brown stew chicken, and I'm going to put some coconut milk in it. Alright, so watch the process as I go, guys, and let me know if you eat chicken. And some of this chicken is from also Miss Vivian. Alright, Miss Vivian, so get your dish ready. Chrissy, get your dish ready. Alright, B, get your dish ready also. And for the rest of my subscribers, get your dish ready also. I have a lot of meat here, you can share. Okay guys, just kidding. So just watch the process as I go. Okay, that's it. It's getting its color now. Alright guys, so watch the process as I go. And this pot of chicken is for Chrissy and my subscribers. Hi Chrissy, how you doing today? Do you eat chicken? Just let me know if you eat chicken, because I'm cooking some chicken for you. Alright Chrissy? Alright. So it's getting its color now, my viewers and my subscribers. Alright. Big up yourself, Chrissy. My subscribers, all those coming on board, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Alright. My subscriber, this is my coconut milk. Okay. I'm going to just put a little coconut milk in my brown stew chicken. Alright. So I'm going to mix it out now. You can see? Put some warm water in it. It's my coconut milk. Is it getting its color now? So I'm going to tip a little. You can see. And there is my subscribers, can you see? Alright. It's a bit white, but it gets back its own color. And you can try it at home. Put some coconut milk in your brown stew chicken. Okay. You can see, let's watch the process as I go. Guys, this is my rosemary, my thyme, and my cloves. I boil it and throw it. Look at it now. You can see. Instead of putting the leaves in there, I just boil it, put it on there on the fridge, and keep it until it is finished. Use it until it is finished. So you can, instead of putting the leaves and the whatever in the pot, I just boil it, steam it, and put it in the fridge. So each time I'm cooking, I just take out a little of it and pour it in my pot. Okay, you can try it like that. My viewers and my subscribers, you can try it at home. Instead of putting the thyme leaves or whatever leaves, the cloves, the rosemary, or whatever leaves you are using, if you don't blend it out like that, you can just boil it and put it in your fridge. Okay, and you use it as you go. All right, then watch the process. You can see that's my brown stew chicken. It's getting its color. See, guys, you can see it. So it's getting, I'm putting a little warm water in it. All right. You can see it's getting its color now. My viewers, my subscribers, and as I say, it will take like 45 minutes to cook. It's not, the chicken is not so soft, so we take a little bit over half an hour. Okay, guys, so I'm going to get my season prepared now to put in it. Okay, so watch the process as I go. You can see my coconut milk in it. All right, so watch the process. Thanks for watching. Thank you all for viewing my channel. Right? Okay, cover my pot. Okay, I'm going to get my season all ready now. Some more warm water, and then I put my season in, it's almost there. Okay, just getting it color. All right, you can see my coconut milk showing up itself. All right, my viewers, my subscribers, you can try this one, coconut brown stew chicken. All right, you can see my season now, guys, all cut. Alright, so I'm going to put in my seeds now. This is my scallion, my onion, my tomato, and my sweet pepper. Okay, I don't have to put any more pepper in it because I have this spicy one, Slap Your Mama. So I put it in it already, so it's already been spicy. Okay, let me see my pot there. Okay. It's almost there now. So I'm going to keep a little bit more water in it. Remember, it's warm water I'm using. Okay, so I'm going to, in the next 10 minutes or so, it will be a finished powder. All right, so watch the process as I go. And I'm bigging up everyone today that is watching my channel. Every one of you, my subscribers and my viewers, big up to you every time, and have a blessed day. And remember to put God first in everything you do. Every activity, every business, put God first. So guys, it's simmering down now. You can see it's getting there. It's getting there. So in the next 4 or 5 minutes, it's well cooked. Alright, and it's well seasoned. And it tastes so good with the coconut milk. Tastes so good. You can see. Let me put the camera up a bit. Right, you can see it. Well cooked. Tastes so nice. You see my pimento, my sweet pepper, and my onion, and also my scallion, my rosemary, my thyme, my cloves. Everything is all in there. Alright, you see it's getting its color now. Alright, tell me if you love it, if you ever tried this one before. Put a little coconut milk in and you see the difference, okay? Tastes different. So guys, my viewers, my subscribers, my family and my friends, this is my finished product. Tastes so good. Coconut milk in it, and I tip a little ketchup in it, not much, just a little. Alright, you can see it tastes so good. Not the looks of it, but it tastes of it. So you can try it at home, as I say. And this is for Chrissy. Chrissy, please make a comment and let me know if you eat brown stew chicken with coconut milk in it. Alright, Chrissy? Chrissy know where she is and know who I'm talking. Right, Chrissy? Alright, so this is for Chrissy. Okay, what do you want with it? Bread or rice? What, Chrissy? Alright, just let me know. Alright, I'm just kidding. Alright, this is for all of my subscribers. And continue to subscribe to my channel. And as I say, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Love you guys. Take care of yourself and put God first. Bye bye.